So let me tell you about myself when I was not able to talk to real people. Hello, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will share 3 things about English. If you follow that, then you would be able to just speak like a pro. So the first thing, what are you doing wrong? Just ask yourself, what are you doing wrong? You are trying to speak in English, but you are not able to speak because there is a thing that you are not doing. That is, you haven't completed your all the doubts. You are in doubt and you are trying to speak in English with the doubt. So how that can be possible? You are not feeling quite confident while speaking. So that is the reason why you are not able to speak in English. So brother, if you really want to speak in English, then you will have to fix that doubt first. So just list them all your doubts and clear one by one. If you are not able to learn that, then try to learn that with different teachers. Just go on YouTube and search 10 different teachers, the same topic, and try to learn that. And you will see the change. Okay, so first thing, clear your all doubts. Thereafter, you will feel quite confident while talking to anyone or in front of the camera, like me, as I'm just recording myself in front of the camera at night. Okay, and the second thing you can do is just keep your all the subscription, like whatever you have subscribed on YouTube, just try to subscribe only English content. Okay, so whenever you will open your Instagram or the YouTube, you would be seeing only content in English. So that's how you will be training your mind automatically. Okay, and the third thing, you will have to practice as much as you can. Whether you are practicing for 15 minutes or 1 hour, that doesn't matter. You will have to practice as much as you can daily. You will have to be consistent. That's how this language works. Okay, and if you are not able to talk to real people, then you can try ChatGPT. Okay, so let me tell you about myself when I was not able to talk to real people. So at that time, I used to talk to ChatGPT. I used to tell ChatGPT, give me any topic, and I will talk on that topic for a few minutes, and you will have to rate my ideas, whatever I have spoken. So now I am speaking in front of the camera. Okay, so is there any doubt related to grammar? Then please comment that in comment section. I will check that out, and if possible, then I will make video on that. So go and practice, bro. There is no alternative.